how to add image to your post on your website on WordPress. Hello guys, so all what you have to do, just go to WordPress. This is the dashboard as you can see. Now go to the top here, click on write so you can add a new post, and it will take you directly to this page. Now as you can see, you can write your post from here, and after you start writing and you want to add a photo, all what you have to do is simple. Just go here and click on featured image and click set featured image here, and now you can upload the image from here. As you can see, choose one of these and click upload. It's so easy, and I hope this video was helpful. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.